It is inevitable. During a project, change happens. Things happen that unexpectedly, could be weather, could be vendor management, it could be equipment delays. Change happens. This is a perfect tool to document all of those, implement how much time it's going to take, scope of the project, is it going to affect the quality of the project, the resources required, the budget changes, as well as risk. Collect all of your change control notes in one place and monitor them for the life of the project. Thank you for watching Chapter 6, Project Runbook Change Control.